Disneyland might be the happiest place on earth, but it's also home to some of the strangest things people have done. Let's dive into 10 bizarre moments from the Magic Kingdom. And number 1. Some guests try to spread ashes of loved ones on rides like the Haunted Mansion. It's happened so often, Disney had to make it officially against the rules. Number 2. Ghost sightings. Cast members have reported seeing mysterious figures all over Disneyland. Extra spooky. Number 3. A Mickey firework once set a tree on fire in Toontown. Talk about fireworks gone wrong. Number 4. Inside the Matterhorn Mountain, there's a mini basketball hoop. Perfect for cast members on break. Number 5. Real human skulls on the Pirates ride? Yep. Some of the skeletons were real back in the day. Number 6. Club 33. This super secret members-only club costs thousands to join and has a years-long waitlist. Number 7. Disneyland's secret staff. Feral cats. They come out at night to keep the park rodent-free. Number 8. Kidnapping the dolls on It's a Small World. Yep. Some guests have taken them on adventures, but they always find their way back. And number 9. A summer meltdown. Mickey ice creams once melted so fast that guests started slipping on chocolate. Disney had to create melting zones just to manage the mess. Number 10. Unauthorized climbing adventures? A few guests have been caught climbing iconic structures like Sleeping Beauty Castle or sneaking into forbidden areas like Tom Sawyer Island after hours. Some guests have even attempted to swim in the rivers of America, much to the dismay of park security. From spreading ashes to a hidden basketball court, Disneyland has its share of bizarre moments. What's the weirdest thing you've seen at Disneyland? Let us know.
Be strong.